letter stands for kid stuff and childish foolishness. It stands for higher and finer things, for a more pure and finer things. It stands for higher and finer things, for a more vivacious, a more streamlined, a more dear way of life. It stands for freedom, and for the Manhattan Skyline, and for the Copacabana, and for Coney Island. In summer, and Grand and for Coney Island in summer, and for Grand Zoom.
Grand Zoom.
Sabay ko, yung bigat mo. Ayaw mo din.
Pagka.
And for Coney, and for Coney Island in summer, and for Coney Island in summer, and for Grand Zoom, and for Grand Zoom on Riverside Drive, and for Tuesday nights at Anaconda with Wild Bill Davidson. Magandang sabi ko sa inyo, parang gano'n o, parang pag nag-i, parang ka nag-i-inundate, dito may fluctuate ang ano mo.